Are you struggling to make your online business stand out in a crowded digital space? Today, I am going to give you the ultimate guide on how to create a powerful brand identity that will make your business unforgettable. From finding your unique voice to designing a killer logo, we'll take you step by step through the process of building a brand that will set you apart from the rest. Building a brand identity is essential for any business, especially in the digital world we live in today. A strong brand identity helps establish credibility and can differentiate you from your competitors. Today, we're going to show you how to create a strong brand identity step by step for your online business. But before starting, if it's not already done, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about what brand identity is. Your brand identity is the way you present your business to the world. It includes your logo, website, color scheme, tone of voice, and everything that communicates your business's personality and values. The first step in creating a strong brand identity is to develop a logo. Your logo is the face of your brand and should be memorable and unique. Take some time to brainstorm ideas and sketch out different designs. Once you have the design, use a tool like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create a digital version of your logo. Make sure to choose colors that represent your brand's personality and values. The next step is to create a website that represents your brand. Your website should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. You can use website builders like Wix or WordPress to create a website quickly and easily. One moment please. Let's spread the knowledge and help your friend build their online businesses too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. When creating your website, make sure to include your logo and use your brand's colors throughout. Your website should also have a consistent tone of voice that matches your brand's personality. The next step is to develop your brand's tone of voice. Your tone of voice is how you communicate with your customers and should be consistent across all your marketing channels. Use social media to connect with your customers and build your brand's personality. Choose social media platforms that align with your brand's values and personality. The final step in creating a strong brand identity is to ensure that your brand is consistent across all touchpoints. Make sure that your logo, colors, tone of voice, and personality are consistent across your website, social media, packaging, and any other marketing materials. Remember, creating a strong brand identity takes time and effort, but it's worth it. A strong brand identity can help you stand out in a crowded market and build a loyal customer base. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in creating a strong brand identity for your online business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more great content.